Hola, and welcome back to Kim at Home. It's finally time to prime this. So I'm just going to do a bright white primer, and then after I prime it, I can figure out what color I want it to be, because I was thinking doing like an accent wall in here, and whatever color I put on the accent wall, I was thinking of painting that color as well. If you've been here for a while, you know I've been talking about this for probably the last year about how I wanted to paint this because it didn't match anything, and it's a beautiful piece, but I just didn't like it because of the color. So the day has finally come. The first thing I needed to do was protect my space, which is why I put the plastic down, and I'm putting the plastic over the glass so that the glass will not be painted. I always keep extra supplies around my garage in my house somewhere, and this was the only paintbrush that I could find. So that means I have painted like 5 different times using 5 different brushes, and which is why I don't have any that are left over. So you just have to excuse me. You got to work with it. If it works, it works. You know what I'm saying? And it works. Here's what we're looking like with 1 coat of primer, and I think that's going to do it. So I'm just going to wait for this to dry and, finish this another day. Moving right along to my garage, I wanted to fit some extra stuff in here and throw some stuff out, so we're going to declutter it and straighten it up. It's not going to be a Pinterest garage, but it's going to be a lot nicer than what it was. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I'm Kim, K-Y-M. This is my home, and in today's video, I'm just doing a lot of different projects around the house that needed to be taken care of. In my videos, I like to provide the content of like home life. I'm a homebody. I'm always here. So I like to do cooking, cleaning, car tutorials, how to fix things, projects, DIY, and lots of painting. If that sounds like something that you are interested in, please do not forget to hit that red subscribe button, show the like button some love, and turn your notification bell on so that you can know when my videos come out. I always release them on Thursdays at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I would love to do videos that are longer and, more often. However, I don't have like a huge following. So when that time happens, I definitely will get on that, but I've already been thinking about it. So if you want to share my video, that would be amazing. So good, so good, so good. So good, so good, so good, so... The garage really wasn't bad to begin with. Like I said, it just needed some things to be like decluttered, organized, thrown out. So here's what it's looking like now. I've really been in denial about the season changing, but our homeowners association always lets us know that our items in our flower beds need to be taken out by like October 1st. And I'm always late every single year, but I was really admiring these elephant ears. But yeah, it's time for them to come down. I'm really sad, but it is what it is. I can actually save these for next year. I'm gonna just clean them up and wrap them in foil and put them in my garage. The thing that's really funny is how my mom is always here in order to like save us for yard waste, because we don't have a company that actually comes out to pick up the yard waste, because we do have a lawn care company in our development. So she's always providing the bag and then taking it back home with her for her company to pick up. One thing that I noticed is a part of my self-care is enjoying the moment, living in the moment, and just embracing what's around you. So I just wanted to show you how beautiful these trees are in my neighborhood. We just went for a walk and I just thought it was amazing. Let me know in the comments below if you practice self-care, what you do, and how often you do it.
Memories is all I got.
Fall or autumn, whatever you like to call it, is definitely my favorite season, and it's just because of all of the beauty and all of the colors, and I'm really digging it. The next part of this video is a review. I will be reviewing this light right here. It's an in-senior light fixture, and it's actually something that is flush mounted to the wall, and I'm really feeling it. Wait till you guys see the before and after. The installation process was very simple. My husband was like, I cannot believe it literally took me 4 minutes, because literally it was like 4, maybe 5 minutes for him to put this up. I'm the type of person, when I do something, I research the heck out of it prior to doing so. So I did watch a few YouTube videos just to see exactly how it is that you installed this lighting. My husband did not watch not one of those videos and he literally installed it within 5 minutes. So it's, you know, the directions within the manual are very easy to follow. And when you do an Amazon review, you're able to see like how other people installed it. And it's really easy, like seriously. We're actually using these wire cutters to cut the cords so that we can connect them. I got those wire cutters from Michael's probably sometime last year. We are not electricians. We are not professionals. Well, I mean, I kind of am, but my husband doesn't do any of this professionally as far as the electrical side of it. But all you need to know is the negative connects to the negative and the positive connects to the positive. A lot of times they do it by color, white and black, sometimes green and red as well. I will be leaving a link to a coupon code below in my description box. I really like these lights because they are just very sleek and slender. I initially wanted black, but then I just wanted to make sure, since it was a flush mount, that it would kind of like just be flush with the wall so that you really couldn't tell the difference between the light in the wall, or the light in the ceiling, excuse me. But yeah, look how bright that light is. It's amazing. It looks so good. I'm very, very happy with it. All of my reviews are honest. This is an honest review. And to be honest with you, we are actually going to order 3 more of these lights because we want to replace all of them in the hallway because our hallways are just really dark. I also left my husband's first reaction to it, so if you heard him say a cuss word, I'm sorry. The last part of installing this to the ceiling is to actually make it flush with the silver thing that was on the inside that I showed you at the beginning prior to us actually taking the light apart and, you know, putting it back together and all that great stuff. And you kind of have to twist it. So it's like there's a divot on the inside that when you twist it, they twist together, so to speak, and they lock. So that's exactly what he's trying to do here. I hope I explained that right, because I kind of be explaining stuff crazy and forget names of stuff all the time. But if you've been here for a while, you already know that. Thank you so much to InSenior for sending me this light. I truly appreciate it. I hope you can now tell what I mean as far as like ordering the white one instead of the black one, even though I'm obsessed with black. There really doesn't look like there's anything on the ceiling at all.
Tell me I don't know what I'm doing.
It definitely looks good. It's so much more brighter. Like I had mentioned before, the manual has all of the great information in it as far as like what you need to know, how to take care of it, how long the warranty is, and they give you different pictures and descriptions of how you actually put the light onto your ceiling. So everything is self-explanatory. It's very easy to follow. If Kim can follow it, trust me, you can, okay? I will, again, leave the information below in my description box in case you want to order these lights. Like I said, they come in black as well. And here's what we ate for lunch. We have one more light that we want to install. However, this is just a bulb, and it's a bulb, like not a bulb, but you'll see. So it's like a spider. So you open it up and it has all these light bulbs. It's LED and it's super bright. That's really, really bright, like for real, real bright. This is what it's looking like. Here's where we left off, and it's about to go down. I will show you exactly what it is that I'm using. Du Jour is the name of the color of this particular shade of white, and I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. That is why I showed you the top of the paint can so that you can, you know, if you want to use this color, you can actually just screenshot it and take it to the store and have it made. One thing that I learned about these sponge rollers when you're doing painting on like furniture cabinets, that sort of thing, When you wet it prior to, dipping it in your paint, it makes such a big difference. The coverage is amazing. If you don't believe me, you can Google it, but it works very, very well. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Please do not forget to hit subscribe, show the like button some love, and turn on your notification bell. That's actually the best way that you can support a YouTuber. Oh, and also sharing the video. I'm so thankful that you're here, and I hope you know that you are appreciated and loved. I hope you are saying your affirmations and showing yourself some love, grace, and just be your own cheerleader and be your own best friend. It's very important. Be sure to always take care of yourself, and just let me know how you're doing below in the comments, and let me know what you're working on and what your plans are for fall. This is how I feel now. I never had it so good. Had it so good. I never had it so good. Without your love, I know I would. I feel good. I feel good. I never had it so good. Without your love, I know I would. Waking up in the middle of the night, all alone. So here is what we are looking like. This is only one coat, and I will eventually do another coat, but not today. Well, maybe later, I don't know. Anyway, and then I have to clean up some of the paint that is on the glass, which is fine. But overall, it looks really good. Oh my gosh, the before and after are crazy because that little orangey brownie reddy color, yeah, I wasn't feeling it. I'm so very thankful that I finally got this done. Thank you again for watching. Bye, guys.